Do you have a purpose? Do you have a higher purpose? Do you think that everybody has a higher purpose? Is it something that we are born with, or is it something that we can find, we should find? My practice is called Purpose and Play, and the reason for that is one of my favorite sessions are the ones when we actually dig deep in to find people's or companies or different organizations' purpose, higher purpose. My belief and judging from the work that we do with my clients um, is that we do have a higher purpose. Everybody comes with a purpose, and our soul, maybe, or some other part of us actually holds this higher purpose. And by accessing that part of us and getting all the ego parts out of the way first, and then talking to this part of us, we are able to access this higher purpose. I did many sessions finding purposes for my clients, and now I'm also going through the journey with Tim Kelly's group, the True Purpose group. So I'm getting even deeper into finding people's purpose. These guys have a great way to talk about purpose because they break it down into 4 parts. They break it down into essence, into blessing, into mission, and into message, which in essence would be the being part. This is who you are. This is how you resonate, and the blessing part is the thing that you are bringing to this world. The mission part is when your blessing turns into your day-to-day activity. This is your mission, the way that you're bringing your blessing to the world, and the message is the message that you bring in your work, in your purpose into the world. So by actually going deep in the purpose work, we can go and find these different parts, how we resonate and how our work could be done in the world. So if this is something that would interest you, or would you think that would be interesting for your company to find its purpose, just drop me a line here. Go to my website, purposeandplay.com, and send me a quick email saying, yes, I want to find my purpose. I really see that finding somebody's purpose is a turning point. It could be a huge shift in somebody's career, in somebody's life, or even in an organization's life, or an organization's way forward can be turned here. I'm working with companies and I'm working with individuals as well. And what I see is that once we get aligned with our purpose, once we really know what direction are we going into, decisions are made so much easier. Is it on purpose or is it off purpose? It's so these decisions that maybe sometimes was did a long time to take. Now it's looks so easy and so comes without a question. New projects, new partners, all these deep and important decisions come down to, okay, on purpose or off purpose. So being on purpose is really making our lives so much easier and so much more fun. So reach out if you feel like yes, I want to find my purpose. I want to get in touch with my own inner trusted advisor to be able to follow my purpose through. This is a great way, a great time to do that right now. Thank you.